Rejection, something we all face at some point. But have you ever been rejected by YouTube? You see, I created a YouTube Shorts channel in the ranking niche, gathering millions of views, so I expected to get monetized extremely easily. All those hours I spent editing the ranking videos gone to waste. And the reason they gave was reused content. So in this video, I'm going to explain what I did wrong and what I plan to do to fix it. So the channel I made was ranking top 5 clips, basically most viral moments, funniest moments, things like that. I was getting hundreds of thousands of views, and as of right now, one of the videos has even 8 million views. So I thought I would easily fly through monetization. But turns out, views are one thing, but getting monetized is a completely different game. When YouTube reviewed my channel, they rejected it for reused content, which basically means my content is unoriginal, which is a little weird because I edited all my videos myself. But I mean, it's also fair because I did technically use other people's content. So after looking more into it, I realized YouTube doesn't actually care about how many edits and sound effects you put in. They just care if you add enough original value to the actual content. So even though I was adding captions and edits and cuts, it still didn't pass the guidelines, which is very common for channels in a similar niche to me. So now I basically have two options. I keep making the same content and hope it gets accepted next time, or I change the niche. But my plan now is to have two separate channels. I'm going to keep going with the ranking niche, just add more edits and more original value to the actual video, and my second shorts channel, which is going to be commentary videos, which I'll speak more on in future videos and share my journey towards that. But if you're thinking about creating a shorts channel, this is definitely something to keep in mind. Because going viral is one thing, but it doesn't mean you're going to get monetized. So hopefully next time I apply, I won't be rejected for reused content. Subscribe if you found this helpful and to join me on my YouTube Shorts journey, and I'll see you in the next one.